We all want, or at least we think we want to become rich or at least make some extra money, but we are afraid of investing or trading because we don't want to play with our money, right? But as a beginner, if you want to put your money to work instead of keeping it in a bank account, you are thinking about starting to invest, but then everything comes black because the world of investing is not as easy as it seems. So, in today's video, we will talk about trading or day trading or short-term trading versus investing and what a beginner should do. So let's start with the beginning. Both trading and investing involve searching for profits in the stock market, but the final goal is different. Okay, maybe not that different because both traders and investors want money, but the ways they get the money are different. It's easy to understand how these two categories work, but it's more difficult to understand what a beginner should do. So traders come in and out of stocks in seconds, minutes or days, and they aim for short-term profits. Being a trader may be very difficult because you have to pay attention and also you should know what are the moves that the stock will do next so you can know if you can profit from it or not. Investing means that you will buy stocks and hold them for months or even years, even if you will have and you will see many ups and downs of the stock market. So basically you will be investing your money in stocks, bonds, mutual funds or other investing instruments. Investors usually think about long-term growth and they will keep their investments for at least 10 years. There is also a middle ground between investing and day trading and it's called swing trading, which means the trades will last for days to some months. I know you must be thinking that day trading should be easier, at least for a beginner, because you will get there, you will see the stocks, you will understand how it works, but it's kind of the opposite. As a day trader, you should quit your main job and depend entirely on your skills and efforts to generate profit, to maintain at least a decent lifestyle and of course pay your bills. Day trading can also be kind of stressful because you won't be picking stocks or currencies or other assets randomly. You'll have to watch multiple screens and see the possible opportunities and of course act quickly. This is something that has to be done daily. So as a day trader, you should be able to focus and work under pressure and of course it really asks tons of discipline. The most important thing when you start day trading is to use a demo account so you can practice your strategy. You should have a strategy, yes, and keep with that strategy as long as it works, if of course it is good. Now talking about long-term investing, it may be easier because it doesn't require so much time. I mean, you can do this and also keep your main job or other side jobs that you may have. There's no term of comparison between the two above because they are very different even when we talk about returns or profits. A day trader, well, a very good one, can make money pretty fast and they might want to go for a 10% profit a month, while long-term investors will be okay with a 10% profit a year. If you start day trading with $30,000, you can expect a 10% profit after a month and then you will have $33,000 to invest next month and you will have your money secured daily. While with long-term investing, you can expect a 10% profit after 1 year. Okay, this is just an example because you may end up losing all your money. So that's why it's not recommended to start without knowing and understanding everything. The perfect method if you just want to jump in is to use, as I said before, demo accounts. Now let's talk about money because you can't even start day trading with just a few $100s if you want to buy stocks. For day traders in the US, the minimum legal balance to start is $25,000 if you want to day trade stocks. If your balance will drop below this amount, then day trading isn't allowed anymore until you make a deposit that will bring the balance above $25,000. Okay, on the other hand, if you want to start investing, you will need much less, and you can also start with a few hundreds of dollars, even if most investors the big ones, will say that it's better to start with $5,000 because you can diversify your portfolio. The point is that you can start with what you have and gradually add more money when you will have it or when you will save it. But the main important thing is not with how much money you start, but which stocks to buy. We will be talking more about investing in the next days, but what I want you to know is that investing may be better for a beginner because you will have less headaches, if we can say this, and of course you will have more time for other important things. Of course, day trading may be a faster way to raise money, but it's absolutely not recommended for complete beginners because risks are much higher and you have to learn a lot of things before starting that. And I'm not only talking about strategies, but also about your emotions. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if so, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe and turn on the notifications if you want to see more videos about investing and money, of course. Also, if you may have questions, just ask in the comment box below. Bye bye!